How exactly would an SEC party look? For starters, Vanderbilt would obviously offer to be the host because not only do they view themselves as better than everybody else, but they're also located in Nashville. But the moment they see you start showing up, they would immediately regret volunteering to host. South Carolina would be the very first person to show up to this party because they've been tailgating for the last 12 hours, drinking Fireball, and are absolutely going to be completely blacked out by the time the party even starts. Auburn, Mississippi State, and Texas A&M would all show up wearing the exact same outfit of flannels, bootcut jeans, and Ariat boots, and then they would all bond over a case of Budweiser. Everybody would be offering to play Georgia in drinking games, being that they are the defending champ, to which Georgia would have the excuses of the rings might get in the way, and that they're waiting for their rival Georgia Tech to show up, not remembering that Georgia Tech is in a different conference. LSU would eventually get kicked out because they were too busy talking about Duck Dynasty, Swamp People, and harassing the DJ to play Youngboy NBA. Tennessee would be isolating people one by one, making sure that they thank them for both Peyton Manning as well as Morgan Wallen. Alabama and Ole Miss would get into an argument over who hazes harder for their Greek life, but then they would eventually bond over the fact of most of the people not even being from Alabama or Mississippi, or giving their hot takes on the Confederate flag. Kentucky would be really friendly, walking up to everybody, making sure they're known if they have a good time, letting them know that they're having a lot of fun, but if they want to have more fun, what they should check out is the Kentucky Derby. Florida would be acting like they're way too snobby and way too good for everybody, so they'd be following Vanderbilt around trying to co-host, and Vanderbilt would be trying to run away from Florida fast. And Arkansas will be telling everybody that despite the results of their sports teams, they will always remain classy because of diamond mines, Walmart corporate headquarters, and President Bill Clinton. And then Mizzou is going to be the last one to show up ready to party. Everyone's going to take one look at Mizzou and no, they're not from the South. Mizzou has no idea what they're doing wrong, but everybody else knows.